This 2027 Forest River Surveyor Legend 202 RBLE is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Scott, Louisiana, 70583 and is offered for sale by Gauthiers RV Center. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Forest River is 24 feet 11 inches in length and features a timber interior, sleeps 2, microwave, spare tire kit, oven, TV, external shower, and 40 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features couples coach, rear bath. The unloaded weight of this 2027 Forest River Surveyor Legend 202 RBLE is 5,247 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.